Hey guys, today I'm going to be taking you thrift shopping and I'm going to be showing you some of the finds. It's a quick trip and it's a quick video. Stick around. If you're new here, my name's Angie and my channel is all about life improvement. I share ways that you can improve your nutrition, improve your budget, improve your organization, all of the random things that just come together to make life a little bit better. Somebody is telling me I should video today, but they're also putting me on a time limit, so I don't know how that's gonna work. Love you. Alright, the color of the day is yellow, so we're hunting for yellow. And the first yellow tag is ugly. I think if you wear a small 4'6" and you can wear this shirt, you don't have thick thighs. I think that's like impossible. Yeah, so literally at this moment, I'm just rolling down the aisles looking for yellow tags because I'm already overwhelmed. Go figure. Because there's just lots and lots of stuff. And I'm trying to get things that if they don't sell, I like. So that kind of narrows me down to a little bit. What do you think? Somebody somewhere needs a Santa uniform, right? Santa scrubs? Maybe. Love yellow. Plaid. Plaid is supposed to be big this year, but like when is plaid not big, right? There's a yellow tag. It is attached to something ugly. There's some plaid, but no yellow tag. Had to take a potty break. There's 7 million people out here. I guess I'll get used eventually to talking to myself in public in stores, but it just felt super awkward today at the Goodwill. I picked up 4 things and they were all on the 99-cent price point. So when I get home, I will show you guys, and then 3 of the items I'm gonna list. One of them I'm gonna maybe keep if it fits. So it wasn't a great thrifting day, but it wasn't terrible. And I got out of my pajamas. I don't know if it was worth that or not, but we'll see. No. So I'm back from thrifting. I'm going to show you what I got. Sundays at my Goodwill are 99-cent days for certain colored tags. So I didn't buy a lot. I put quite a few things in my cart, but then before I checked out, I weeded it all back out. So I'm going to do it a little different today. I'm going to show you the item, and then I'm going to model it so you can see how it looks on. When I go thrifting, my goal is to predominantly buy things that fit me. That way my closet on Poshmark and Mercari makes sense for people. If people want to bundle, it's easier. And if I get stuck with stuff that doesn't sell, I buy stuff that I like so that I can wear it. So here we go. So this is the first top I picked up. It is not a name brand per se. It's Valerie Stevens. And it is a small, but I thought it was really pretty. It has this little detailing. It has the cinched waist. And it's new with tags. And it was originally $50. So I just like the little trim on the edge. I think it's really cute. Yes, we're going into fall, and this is kind of a summery top, but it could be styled to get you through fall, I think. This shirt I actually looked at the last time I was at Goodwill, and I didn't get it because it wasn't on sale, but this week it was. It's a really pretty shell. It is a small, and it is Worthington. It's got 3 buttons in the back with a keyhole, which the buttons are not fastened up, but this will be going on my Poshmark most likely. However, it is kind of cute. That's what I'm struggling with because I buy stuff that I like. So I'll try that on here in a minute. Next up, I picked up a pair of jeans. They are the Limited Weekend Jean, $6.78, and they are a size 4. And they're a really nice dark. I don't know if they came with this front pressing or if somebody added that, but it's like a trouser style jean. And if we look at the knee to the foot and fold it back, I'm struggling. It's a little bit of a boot cut. You can see because the end is wider than the knee, so it's got a slight boot cut. So I'm going to try these on and see how these fit. They're going to be for sale, but again, you know, I'm just going to try them on and see how they look on me. This one, if it fits, I'm definitely keeping. It just made my heart happy when I saw it. It's a medium, and it is Patrons of Peace. Patrons of Peace. Haven't heard of that brand before. I'm guessing it's a little boutique brand. It's a medium. But isn't this the cutest? It's got the handkerchief hem, the back. I mean, I'm just digging that back. I think this is really pretty, and I hope it's going to fit me because I really intend on actually keeping this one. So we will try them on and we will see. Okay, so this is the turquoise top, and I have to apologize for my black bra that's underneath. That makes it not look as great, but isn't this cute? And you know, if you're gonna go out to eat, Thanksgiving coming up, you got a stretchy waistband here so you can eat everything. You can pull it down low and wear it with leggings, like I've got on leggings, or you know, you could pop it about here. There's a lot of different places you could put this waistband. So I think it looks the best maybe right about there. Yeah, so I think this one is cute, and I think it's going to be a good deal for someone. So this is the Worthington shell. I think it is super cute. I like the neckline right here. I like how it's flowy, and it's got this cute back detail with a little keyhole, and it's a little snug on me right through here, but I'm wider than the average bear through here. So I think it is a small, and it fits like a small should fit. It's very cute, and it's one of those things where if it doesn't sell, it doesn't hurt my feelings. I'll keep it in my closet. I like it. Yeah, this one is staying in my closet. How cute is this? It's like flowy, it's loose, it's got this great back. I mean, 99 cents. I'm completely stoked, and I'm sorry I keep staring at the shirt instead of staring at you guys, but it's a cute shirt. So this will not be going in my Poshmark closet because I really like it. I hope you enjoyed this thrift with me and this little baby Goodwill haul. You guys have a great day and stay strong, y'all. Bye.